Hey, I'm Jeremiah Webb, founder of Shop on Fire. We're excited to tell you about a brand new partner we have called National Comfort Insitute, or NCI, engineered and designed by Dominic Guarino. The reason we're excited to work with them is because they develop you into a high-performance contractor. We're a high-performance training and coaching company, so that term alone made sense, but let me tell you what they do. They make sure that your technicians are trained and certified, they support you, they teach you, they provide unlimited materials, constantly being able to reach out and talk to them, so that when you work on a heating and cooling system, it runs the way the manufacturer designed. It seems like they should all be running the way the manufacturer designed, but it turns out only half of those in circulation running right now are running it the way that the manufacturer designed. That's terrible. And so because it's a higher standard, because it differentiates you, because they teach you how to monetize that differentiation, that sets you apart from everyone else, on top of why you're also great. That's why we partnered with them. We recommend them. We ask that you reach out to them, and we're excited to tell you about them because they're awesome. They meet our standards for what we want to have happen with our customers. Yes.